Hello and welcome back for another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. The seeds have been in their cups for 7 weeks now and I'm encountering a minor problem which I really ought to solve. The seeds have developed a fruit fly problem. Now, I'm not especially worried about the fruit flies for these avocado seeds, but I certainly don't want them hanging around, especially with summer coming and other fruit in my garden growing. I believe the root of my problem is the worm farm, which is a bit of a breeding ground for fruit fly. There's not a whole lot I can do about that without risking the worms, and it's not a huge problem for the worm farm actually, but I do need a plan. My plan is to make traps for the flies using something that's a lot more appealing than the avocado seeds. I'm going to be making vinegar traps. I need some jars, any jar will do, apple cider vinegar. I've heard you can also use balsamic or red wine vinegar. I'll also use some rubber bands or hair ties and some cling wrap. To make the traps, I'm just going to pour a bit of vinegar into the jars, cover the top with cling wrap, making sure that it's tight and securing it with a hair tie or rubber band. Then I'm adding some holes. I'm just using the pointy tip of a knife. The idea is that the flies will be able to get in, but it will be too hard to get out, so they'll be trapped in there and they'll die. I'm going to place them strategically around the garage, on top of the worm farm, which is the main source of the problem, and on the ledge with the avocados. I'll relocate Goggles M95 to the ledge in the kitchen for the time being and place the jar in its place. Now all that's left is to wait. It won't be long before the traps start trapping a bunch of fruit fly. We will keep monitoring this problem and see if we need any more intervention in a few weeks' time. Meanwhile, several of the avocado seeds are beginning to crack. This here has cracked right open and you can see into the seed. You can see the structures beginning to develop from the embryo. Paul Jansen has also begun to crack and we can expect to see a root coming from it fairly soon. On the others, we're seeing a lot of seed coats peeling, which I will eventually take out of the glasses so they don't spoil the water, but I'm not too concerned. The seeds will grow with or without them. We can expect to see cracks with them in the next couple of weeks as well. And that's all for today. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a like. Make sure you're subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any avocado updates. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.